How to buy Robux with Cash App. It's actually super easy, but you do need one specific thing first, your cash card. As long as you have that debit card ready, you are good to go. Let's jump over to the computer and I'll show you exactly how to do it. All right, first things first, open up Roblox on your computer. Look right up here at the top menu and click on the Robux icon. Now just scroll down through the options and select the exact amount of Robux you want to buy. When the payment screen pops up, you're going to click on Credit or Debit Card. Since your cash card is a Visa, this is the option we want. Next, just open your Cash App on your phone to grab your card details and type all of that information right into these boxes. Once everything looks correct, just scroll down and click Pay at the bottom. And that's all there is to it. Your Robux will hit your account right away. If you don't have your debit card linked to your account yet, go ahead and click right here to watch my quick guide on how to add a debit card to Cash App. See you there.